Afternoon class second students, this is your English 2 notebook. First you will write date, which is 31/05/2020. Then you will write question number 2. What did the grasshopper do when he saw the ants working hard throughout the day? Question mark. So in this question is asking that what did the grasshopper do? Grasshopper ने क्या किया when he saw that the ants were working very hard throughout the day? Answer: he laughed, laughed, laughed at the hard working ants and made fun of them. Full stop. What he did, he laughed at them, at the hard-working ants, and what he did, he made fun of them. Now question number 3. Lazy one. What were you doing all summer? Question mark. Who said this and to whom? Question mark. So this is the line, lazy one. What were you doing all summer? Who said, किसने कहा था ये, and to whom? Answer: the ant said this to the grasshopper. The ant said this to the grasshopper. Ant ने grasshopper को कहा था. Now take a new page and write think and answer. Question number 1. Why was the grasshopper worried? WORRIED, worried during the winter? Question mark. जो grasshopper था, why he was worried, वो क्यों परेशान था during the winter? Answer: the grasshopper was worried because winter had arrived. ARRIVED, arrived. Cold wind was blowing. BLOWING, blowing, and it was snowing. SNOWING, snowing. He was worried because जो winters थी, they had arrived, वो आ गई थी, with cold wind was blowing, and cold wind was blowing, and it was snowing. Full stop. There was no food to eat. There was no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. Full stop. He could not see even the tiniest, TINIES, tiniest fly or worm. Full stop. And there was no one, there was no one that he can see. Now question number 2. Why was the ant angry when the grasshopper asked for food? Question mark. जो ants थी, why they were angry when the grasshopper asked them for food? Answer: the ant was angry because the grasshopper, GRASSHOPPE, a grasshopper, had been singing and dancing all summer. Instant INSTEAD, of storing food for winter. Full stop. He had also made fun of the hard working ants. Full stop. Why they were angry? Ants was angry on grasshopper because what he was doing all summer, he was only singing and dancing instead of storing food, and what he did, he also made fun of hardworking ants. Now question number 3. Why did the ants save food for the winter? Question mark. जो ants थी, उन्होंने cold winter के लिए why they have stored food? Answer: the ants saved food for the winter because they save food for the winter because they did not want to look up for food outside in the cold winter. Full stop. They stored food because they did not want to look up for food. उनको बाहर जाना ना पड़े in cold winter. That's why they saved food for the winter. So this is your question answers. Do it in your notebook with very neat and clean handwriting and cursive handwriting. Thank you.